Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we are doing a makeup tutorial on this look that you see right here. I think it's perfect for a night out, for a date night, or maybe even for a business meeting. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Today the foundation choice is Derma Blend Flawless Creator. Lately I've been obsessed with this one. For the eyebrows today, I am going to be using the Cup Raw from Benefit. Next, I'm going to use Sigma eyeshadow base in the shade Persuade. Then I'm going to setting my eyes with a Sigma Warm Neutral palette in the shade Sugar Milk. For this, I'm using Sigma E40. From the same palette as a transition color, I'm gonna go ahead and take Cinnamon with a fluffy brush. And I'm going to apply it on my outer corner of the eye and on the crease. I'm applying it with a very soft touch because it's our transition color. We want it to look natural and effortless. I'm going back with the Sugar Milk and with a flat brush. This time I'm using Sigma E55. I'm going to go ahead and apply it in the inner corner of the eye and on the brow bone. For the eyeliner today, I'm using a Sigma gel eyeliner in the shade Wicked. From the same palette, I'm going to use the color Russet, and with Sigma pencil brush E30, I'm going to smoke the eyeliner out. And I'm going to intensify the outer corner as well. All I'm doing is just applying it little strokes all over the outer corner of the eye. Then we're adding a little bit of mascara, and today I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. For the concealer today, I'm using the Kat Von D Lock-It in the shade L5 Neutral. And with Sigma 3D HD, I'm going to buff everything out. To set my under eye concealer, lately I've been really loving using a puff, and this one is from BH Cosmetics. For the under eye, I'm gonna go ahead with the same transition color we used on the crease. And with the shade Russet, I'm going to apply it in the outer corner under the eyes. For the inner corner, I'm going to use the same shade as on the lid, which is Sugar Milk. Then a little bit of mascara. You can call it a day and move on to the bronzer and highlighters, but I love me some false eyelashes. And today I am using the Model 21 eyelashes, 3D eyelashes. I'm super excited to try them on and see how they are gonna complete this look. To contour my face today, I'm using the Light and Shade Powder Palette from Kat Von D. For the blush today, I'm using Sheer Amoureuse from Lancome. For the highlighter today, I'm using Star Reader from the Lorac Pirates of Caribbean palette. For the lipstick today, I am using the Plath from Kat Von D. Setting everything in place with Scandinavia, the makeup finishing spray. So this concludes the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and join the squad. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!